LG CordZero vacuum cleaners are easy to maintain. Start by opening the left and right covers of the vacuum base. Open the dust bag compartment and press the push button to unlock. Remove the dust bag and insert a new one. Place the bottom of the bag into the unit. Push it all the way in. Push it up until you hear a click. Next, replace the internal filter and filter sheet inside the vacuum base. Remove the cover, press the push button, and twist the filter out for cleaning. Reassemble everything back into place. Your LG CordZero is ready to go. Easy maintenance, supported by LG Subscribe.